I'm Paige Calvert, the documentation manager at Replicated, and in this video, I'm going to walk through the different features of the Replicated platform that you can use to manage, enforce, and report on customer licenses and entitlements for your application. Beginning with the Replicated Vendor Portal, this is where you can create and manage customer records, including built-in entitlements like the customer's license expiration date, as well as custom entitlements that are specific to your application, like controlling access to a specific feature set or limiting the number of seats based on what was contracted in the license agreement. With the vendor portal, you can add, remove, or edit these details anytime. Each customer record you create gets assigned a unique license ID that doesn't change. You can also integrate Replicated with your existing CRM so that any changes you make to your customer's license agreements will sync to the customer records in the vendor portal, helping you maintain a single source of truth. The replicated license and update server manages and distributes the customer information that you define in the vendor portal. The license server is identified with the CNAME record where it can be accessed from end customer environments. During installation or update, the installer will use the customer's license ID to authenticate with the license server. This provides information to the installer about the customer's entitlements and the application releases that the customer has access to. The license ID also provides authentication for the replicated proxy registry during deployment, granting pull-through access to the private images for the given application release. After your application is up and running in the customer's environment, the replicated SDK communicates with the license server to get up-to-date customer license information during runtime. You can also use the in-cluster SDK API license endpoints to get customer license information on demand. This can be useful for programmatically enforcing or reporting on license agreements, such as tracking product usage in order to share those insights back to your customers. Taken all together, the licensing features of the replicated platform allow vendors to confidently and securely grant access to their software, while making it possible for any changes to the license agreement to be reflected in the customer environment in real time. Additionally, the reporting capabilities provided by the SDK can be used to surface data on product usage, providing valuable insights for both the vendor and the customer. So I hope this was a helpful overview of how licensing works in the replicated platform. Thanks for watching and happy licensing.